ready to give your Mac's storage a fresh start. First things first, locate and open Disk Utility from your Applications folder, which resides within Finder. Once open, you will see a list of your drives and volumes. External drives might appear below internal drives, so identify the one you want to format carefully. This is a crucial step, as formatting will erase all data on that drive. In the sidebar, select the hard drive you wish to format. Be certain you spot the correct drive, and don't confuse it with your startup disk. Once selected, click the Erase button in the toolbar. A new window will appear with options like Name, Format, and Scheme. Choose a name for your formatted drive that you'll recognize later. Select the appropriate format. And for most macOS users, the recommended option is APFS or macOS Extended for compatibility with older Macs. Choose macOS Extended. Finally, select a partition scheme, and in almost all cases, Git partition map is the recommended choice. Review all your selections, ensure you've chosen the correct drive, format, and scheme, and then click Erase to initiate the formatting process. The formatting may take some time, particularly for larger drives, so do not interrupt if it is in progress. Once complete, your drive will be formatted, erased of all the existing data, and ready to use. You will now have a new, clean drive, primed for storage or operating system installation. You're all set. Now you know how to format a hard drive on a Mac.